Hello, today we're going to see about the AWS hibernation. Okay, what is hibernation? For example, so always our data will be stored in the RAM. Okay, so if we terminate the instance, or all the data will be disappeared. Okay, so but if if we hibernate our instance, okay, so if we enable the hibernate mode, okay, our instance um data will be transferred in the RAM memory. The RAM memory will be while if we shut down, that RAM will be transferred to EBS root volume. Okay, so, for example, if we stop the with the help of the hibernation mode, our uptime will be very quickly. Okay, so to safeguard our datas and to enable the quick uptime, hibernation is helping us. Okay, so there is no charges for the hibernation. Okay, so there's no charges for hibernation, but we need some prerequisite. Okay, so what is that prerequisite? So hibernation is done in only EBS volume, not in the instance store. Okay, so it is done in only the EBS volume, not in the instance store. Okay, up to 60 days we can hibernate, we can keep our instance in the hibernate mode. Okay, and 61st day automatically it should on the instance. Okay, so up to 60 days. Okay, so these are the prerequisites, and the charges, no charges. Okay, so it is supported by Hibernate is supported by M3, M4, M5, C3, C4, C5, R3, R4 and R5 instances. Okay, so the instances up to 16 GB of RAM it is supported. Okay, so Hibernate is helping us in this way. Okay. Okay, so now I will show you the demo of the EC2 hibernation. Okay, so I'm going to launch an Linux instances. Okay, so I will name this instance Hibernate. Okay, so I'm choosing a Amazon Linux and instance type T2 micro. Okay, keypair login, we can select the Linux keypad, and network settings we can select the default VPC subnet of our choices, and we need a public IP, and I'm selecting some Linux security group. Okay, and configure storage is 8 GB. I'm leaving as it is. So in the advanced details you can see here stop hibernate behavior is there. Okay, so we can enable hibernate behavior. Okay, so if we enable the hibernate behavior only, we can enable the instance in the hibernate mode. Okay, so and afterwards I am launching number of instance 1, and I am launching the instance. Okay, we can check. So now I have launched. So what was the error is we have to launch in the EBS volume. Okay, so now it is in pending state. Okay, so let's wait till the instant state changes to running and status check changes to 2x2 check. Okay, so now you can see our instance state have changes to running and status check changes to 2x2 check, and I have connected this EC2 server. Okay, so now we can check the uptime. Okay, it is showing 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay. So let's stop. Let's stop instance and start again. Okay. So now we can hibernate. Okay. Now we can start our instance. You see? Okay. So it must be completely hibernated. Afterwards we can start. Okay. And it is successfully started. Okay. Okay. So it have quickly restarted. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see the uptime 8 minutes. So it is quickly restarted. Okay. So let's do the hibernate. Okay. So our data will be saved and our data will be saved in the EBS, and when we restart the mission our data will be returned back to the instance. Okay. So our uptime also will be very quickly. Okay. So I hope you understand the hibernate. Okay. Please, any doubts, please leave the comments, and when you get time, please practice the hibernate and learn about the hibernate. Okay. So thank you.